Good morning, class.
Observation.
Good morning.
Observation sheet.
Are you ready to learn something new today?
Yes!
So before proceeding to our lesson for today, do you want to play a game?
Yes!
Okay. So the game is called What's the Password? So I will group you into three by column na lang. So this is group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. So you will choose your own leader. Be quiet now. Before starting the game, I just want you to know some rules I want to improve. Everyone. So if I say 1, you will keep quiet or you will be silent. I want you to stay silent, okay? 2 is to sit properly. 3 is for you to give your attention to me and listen to what I am discussing here in front. And if you want to excuse yourself to go to the CR, just raise your hand and sign this. Understand? Okay. If I say 1, what will you do? Keep quiet or keep silent. 2, speak properly. And 3, listen carefully to what I am discussing. And if you want to go to the CR, what will be your sign? Very good. So the game is called What's the Password? So this is how we will play the game. So the treasure chest needs to be opened. With this, I need your help to know the correct password. For the password, you will be given a scrambled set of numbers. Hindi mo isa scrambled, decimal and whole number. So for the password, in order to open the test, you need to arrange the numbers accordingly. The password will come from the answers for each clue. For example, if you have 23 and 8500. So the first clue is in tens. So the number in tens place is 8. Then the next one is in ones, and that is 3. And then tens is in 2, and hundreds is in 5. So the password is 8, 3, 2, and 5. So do you understand what will you do? So all members of the group will help each other to answer what is being asked. If the group already knows the password, the group must shout, "Captain, we know the password." So para nang hindi ginawag ka, ang leader na lang ang kahamba na, "Captain, we know the password." Okay? Next is wait for the teacher to respond your group and then what's the password. So walang gagawin ko kung nga maghambat na group 1, group 2, or group 3 para i-recognize ka mo and maka-answer ka mo. And the group will say the password. So if hambal nyo sa akin kung anong password to, kung 8579, damo na pala. Okay? And the first group will answer and open many chests will wait. So ready? Are you ready? Let's open chest number 1. I will give you 30 seconds to know what is the password. You can help each other. The silence nila. Who's ready? Okay, group 3, what's the password? No, lang po lang. 96. Correct. The password is 9601293. So 1 point for group 3. Next correct. The password is 802 and 1. Okay, last chance. So 2 point for group 3. Group 2. Correct. The password is 99831. So 1 point for group 1, but that was ato lang chance na. So ang nag-out is ang group 3. Very good, everyone. So let's proceed to our discussion or our lesson for today. But before that, yesterday you have learned something, and who can still remember what was the lesson yesterday? Anyone? Can still, yes, Khalid. Yes, the lesson yesterday is place value and value of decimal. So the place value of a decimal is the position of the digit in a number, and it determines the value that the number holds, while the value of a digit in each decimal is the product of the digit holding the decimal place and value of that position. So to test if you really still remember what was the discussion yesterday, I have here 10 and 4,876 10,000. And to test if you can still remember how to put it in place value and its value, I want you to tell me the place value of each digit and its value. Ready? So what is the place value and the value of 1 in 10,000? 10 and 4,876 10,000. Anyone? Yes, Marie. Janelle. Janelle, what's the place value and the value of 1? Yes, and the value? The place value is that yes, it's correct. It's in tens place, but what is the value of the 1 in 10 and 4,877,000? Yes, Marie. In 10 actually. Tens and then the value is 10. And next, what 0? What is the place value of 0? One. If you want to answer, just raise your right hand, okay? And the value, what is the value of 0? Zero, yes, correct, Khalid. The place value of 10 is 1 and the value is 0. And the 4, what is the place value of the 4? Yeah, correct. And what is the value? The point 4, correct. And the 8, what is the place value of 8? Hundred, correct. And what is the value? Correct. The face value of 8 is 100 and the value is in 0.08. And digit 7, yes, Mari. Correct. And what is the value? Again, correct. It's in 0.007. So the place value is in thousands and the value is in 0.007. And the last digit, that's 10,000, correct. And what is the value? Correct. The place value of the six is in 10,000 and the value is in 0.0006. Very good. I'm happy that you can still remember your lesson yesterday. So now it's time to watch a video. I want you to listen carefully to the video and watch carefully because kasi may ipamangkot ko after watching the video and I want you to answer.
What the rest of West Bound to a decimal place value. Find the ground in place and they can see you. The process around this is all the same. We just need to know the place value names. The number to the right must be found. 5 or more, round up, less than 5 round down. Rounding up, the rounding place was done by the one. When the counts down, it stays everything that we done. When you round as a whole, you can raise the price of around it. If you think then you need to find out in your mouth. Rounding makes you numbers that are easy to count. Then you need to find out in your mouth. Rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count. It's a trick to use to help you choose where to get to the right, tells you to move. Draw a pivot to tail the hill, with 5 on top. Car drops and tears, you stop. If it's 5 or more, it moves forwards. If it's 1 through 4, it moves backwards. Forward rounds up, backward rounds down. Just a little trick to help you round. When you need to find out, still in my mouth.
Did you enjoy watching the video?
Yes.
So, what was the video about?
Rounding
Numbers. And why do you think so? The time that you watched the video? Anyone? Why do you think so? Ba't sabi naging palantaw na sa mga video? Anyone? Khaled? Yes, para may matunan. But ano di pala ang reason? Subong. Applicable siya sa subong nga adlaw. Yes, Jenna. Yes, correct. Because our lesson for today is rounding decimal numbers to the nearest hundredths and thousandths. So rounding off number is a way to simplify a number by changing it to the closest desired place value while keeping its value close to the original. So kung mag-round off kita sa number, ang muna siyang simplify sa number na gusto tayo change. But of course, hindi man sa kadali-dali change lang sa number sa kung anong gusto na. We have to kailangan na magsunod sa mga steps and process kung paano mag-round off sa number. So how do we round off number to the nearest hundredths and thousands? So I have here an example. The round of 0 and 483,000 to the nearest hundred. So the first thing to do, or the first step in rounding decimal numbers is to identify the digit to be rounded off. So ano di ang i-round off na? Ano di ang ara sa hundreds place? 8, correct. So the one which is in the hundreds place is 8. The second is to inspect the digit to the right of the required place. So what is on the right of 8? 3. Then next is if the digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, add 1 to the digit you are rounding, then drop all the digits to the right of the required place. So ang 3 more than 5 siya or hindi?
Yes.
More than 5 siya or hindi? Oh, so let's apply the fourth step, which is if the digit is less than 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, or 0, retain the digit you are rounding, then drop all the digits to the right of the required place. So if we have 483 hundredths, and 8 is the one we round off, and then 3 is on the right side, then the answer would be 0.48 or 49. 48. We will just retain it because the number which is in the side is less than 5. I have another example which is rounding off. Again, let's apply the first step, which is in the hundredths place. Yung hundredths place, 0.4. And what's on the right?
5.
So if we round up 0 and 745 ma-round up na sa 4 o kung ma-round down?
Round up.
Round up. Correct. So, 745,000 would be 0 and 750. This is the answer. Then let's proceed to rounding off numbers in the nearest thousand. So we have here 0 and 3,465 10,000. So we will round it to the nearest thousand. So what digit is in the thousand? 6, correct. And what's on the right? 5. So if we round it off, from around up, that is a 6 o consistent? Round up. Because na round up ka, kay 5 on the right side. Yeah. So it will become 0 and 3,470. Pwede ka na pag ito down 0. Let's just drop everything right after hanging out of that. Another example. Paano ka doon nga i-round up? Ano sa ang art sa display? Correct. And ano sa right niya?
3.
So kung mag-round off sa nearest thousand niya, ma-round up sa 3 o kung ma-round up? Round up. So, ma-retain lang ka sa 3 kay 3 man ang sa right niya and it is more than 5. So now, do you understand how we round off numbers to the nearest hundreds and thousands?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try to answer this. Anong i-round off sa eight? So the answer would be 12 and 90. 7 or 6? 7. And sa thousand, it is 12 point or 9, 6, 8. Ako na. Ano naman sa number 2? Scenario of answer. And then, fill up ako. Wala ba tayo? Lagi na sa answer. So, kung mag-round off pala, hindi na nga ang yung sila sa answer. Ang gina-round off, no. Ano dito may sa whole number before sa decimal point. Nagsulat sa naman, ang sa left na number, sa gina-round off din, hindi siya magkaligtas. Are we clear in this lesson? Yes. Let's try this problem.
Tomorrow.
11 minus 6. 11 minus 6. 6 minus 6. 5 minus 3. 1 minus 5. Pwede ka tomorrow. 11 minus 9. This is the way of Carla in muli nagdugan sa way ni Carla in just 1 month. So, ang imuon yun, i-round off nyo to the nearest hundred ang iyang nag-gain ng weight. So, hindi ang nearest hundred. 0. 0. So, kung i-round off ang iyang weight, kung nadugan sa weight niya, kailangan the nearest hundred. 2.2. Anong sa di ba? 10, 100, 1,000. 100, yung nearest 100, di ba? So, 0 ang nearest ang 100. Okay. Anong sa left niya? Anong sa right niya? 5. Did ma-round up or ma-round down? Di kailangan first. Go and what? 2. Or yung dugangan, di ba? 1. Ang mali na-gain na weight ni Carla in just 1 month and ang mali ang iyang weight kung i-round off to the nearest 100. Are we clear on the lesson? So again, how do we round off numbers in the nearest hundreds and thousands? First is to identify the digit to be rounded off. Second, start the digit on the right of the required place. And if the digit on the right place is more than 545, we round up and add 1. And if the digit on the right place of the digit to be rounded off is is less than 5, ano yung monta? Round down. So we're ready for a test. So for your test, if you did learn something today, I have here a worksheet to be distributed to all of you. Balagang nakon ang sobra. So on the upper side of your paper, you write your name, then your grade and section, and below your name is your school. Ang score is blank na kaya ko lang So what you will do is you underline the rounding place of each number and then round it as required. So for instance, below, i-underline yung kung anong ginapa-round off. Tapos i-total yung answer nyo kung ang manulog. Then, ako lang. When finished or unfinished, pass your paper to the front. Slowly down one by one. Before we end our class, again, what is the first step that we do round off numbers in years, hundreds, and thousands? First is we identify the digit to be rounded off. Second, third, how about if the digit satisfies? Round off. Okay. For your assignment, copy this, and pass it in the one copy of the paper. Check on the next time. Wait lang. What was our lesson for today? Okay, numbers. Two, three. Again, if more than 5 ang digit sa right niya gina-round off ta, ma-round up or ma-round down? Kung below 5, round down. Okay, thank you for listening to our lesson today. Stand up, please stand up and pick up the piece of paper down your chair. Bye, grade 5.